Hi, I'm Sai Manjrekar and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
It's wonderful to have Sai Manjrekar with us. She's having a dream debut in Dabangg 3 opposite Salman Khan. Wonderful to have you on Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you.
What was that moment like when you were told that you'll be part of Dabangg 3 and that too opposite Salman Khan?
I remember the second I got off call, I put my phone down and I started jumping in front of the mirror. I think I played Hud Hud Dabangg, the first one, and I was dancing in front of the mirror. And my brother runs into the room, asked me what happened. I was like, I got it. He said, really? And he just runs out. He says, really? And he ran out of the room. And he ran down and he ran back up and catching his breath, I was like, where did you go? And he got me 2 chocolates. He was like, congratulations, this is the first thing I could get. So that was my very first memory of getting the movie.
That's very sweet. What's his name?
Satya.
Satya. So he's younger to you?
No, he's elder. He's 25.
Have you ever imagined that you'll be making your debut with Salman Khan?
To be
And the
honest,
way you have been presented is
it's honestly
unprecedented.
very dreamlike. It is something that I would have only thought of in my wildest dreams, and it's honestly surreal. It's unearthly to some extent, where I sometimes think of it and I have like 100 pinch me moments a day thinking this really happened to me, because such a big franchise, it's such a Salman sir, there's so many big personalities who are connected to this franchise. There's Prabhu sir directing it, there's Sona acting in it with me, there's Salman sir, there's Arbaz sir. So it's sort of really a big deal for me, and I just really want to prove myself worthy of their trust and that they've put in me. Like Salman sir has given me the opportunity to be the Khushi to his chulbul, so I just want to just do justice to her character.
The general feedback has been that the younger version of Salman Khan and your jodi with him, it's looking very convincing. You're looking mature, he's looking chulbula, and it's a perfect recipe for an on-screen romance. What has been the feedback that you have received so far?
I have actually received a very great feedback about the chemistry or the jodi that they've seen in the trailer, or otherwise, even like at the trailer launch or at IFA. I opened my Instagram to so many videos of us from the trailer, obviously, and from other press events like IFA or the trailer launch or the Munna Badnaam event, and it really is a surreal feeling to see how well everyone's accepting me or accepting the jodi, and it makes me really happy.
You were there at this launch of the Being Strong equipment, and you were rather taken aback by the frenzy that was there for Salman Khan.
So honestly, I feel like that was the first time I'd ever seen such a huge crowd ever. And I wasn't expecting so many people to be there. When I went there, I just thought it'll be like an event where there'll be the press, and suddenly I walk in to see so many people just standing there and saying Salman Bhai, Salman Bhai. So I think that was the first kind of, that's when it first struck me. To be honest, I've always known Salman sir as a very big star, but that was the first time I actually kind of understood the magnitude of his stardom that day. Right. So it was honestly very, more than scared or frenzied, I would say I was really surprised, taken aback and surprised by the whole thing. Not by the magnitude of his stardom, I always understood that. That was the first time I came into first-hand contact with that whole thing, but standing in front of so many people and, you know, being confident and posing for pictures, that was a little new for me.
People are coming and they're asking for selfies with you and getting those pictures clicked with you. How are you reacting to that?
I remember the first time somebody came and asked me for a selfie, and I think I was more excited to give it than they were to take it. I was like, you want one more? Please come, no, take no
Okay,
one more.
So,
I honestly am loving every bit of that.
You had this fabulous training in your household. Both your parents, I think they're wonderful artists. You've assisted Mahesh ji on Viruddh, from what I understand. That's wrong information.
That was my elder sister.
That is your elder sister?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Ashwami, she's a chef now.
She's a chef.
Yeah,
oh, okay. All right. But you've acted in a Marathi film, from
when
what I
I was
understand.
very young. I was 6, I think. It's a movie called Kakasparsh that my dad directed, and I was on set and I said, you know, I really want to do something. Just give me a small role. I was 6, 7 years old barely. So I had a very small role in that.
And it's a classic. It's a Marathi classic.
It is. And I think that is actually when I figured out that this is what I want to do.
That was the first time that you realized that you want to be in front of the
I
camera.
realized that I wanted to do something that my mom and dad do. So it was maybe direction or acting at a very young age. But when I first stood in front of the camera in Kakasparsh, that is when I realized that I want to act. Yes.
I believe you're having Naina Lade's song
Yes.
opposite Salman sir.
Yes.
It's a beautiful song.
Thank you.
Tell us about that experience because that's a song that is going to be huge.
Honestly, that was one of the best shooting experiences that I had. From a very young age, I'd always imagined, shooting a song with a hero and my hair flying. So when that finally happened, I was on top of the world. I was like, this is what I want to do this for the rest of my life.
Where all have you shot that song?
That song we shot in Faldan. That was where our shooting was happening there. Then we shot it in Vai and Panchgani.
When you heard the song for the first time, what was your response like? Because Naina songs have been associated with Dabang
Yeah.
franchisee
Yes.
and they've been huge in the past.
I was very excited when I heard it for the first time. Actually, I didn't know it was my song when I heard it for the first time.
Okay.
Because I remember Salman sir was just sending me a couple of songs saying, these are the songs from the film. So I'd heard all of them, and when I heard Naina, especially because it was Naina, and Habibi Ke Nain, I hadn't heard then. So I was only Naina's song, and I was like, yes, there's a Naina in this too, and that's really exciting, and I really loved the song then. And then when I was told that I am in the song, I was really, really happy that, the song that I really liked, I get to do.
So how many songs are you part of?
2.
And Habibi Ke Naina is a
No,
second
that
one?
is Sona's song. Mine is Avara.
Avara, that's another beautiful song.
Habibi and Avara are actually my 2 favorite songs. In the
From
film.
the album? Okay. And Salman Khan is the ultimate romantic hero in many ways. He's also considered an action hero, but I think he is having some of the most beautiful romantic songs as well
Yes.
in the film industry. So when you were shooting with him for the songs, what was your preparation like? What was going in your mind, just portray it as authentically as possible?
To be honest, I remember before we started shooting the song, I have gone on YouTube and watched every possible Hindi romantic song there is and seen the videos and seen what is expected of the actress and kind of tried to learn from it and apply that to my own experience.
So who have been your inspirations for that?
As I said, I watched a lot of them, so there's a lot of videos that I watched, but if I had to pin it down to a few people, it would be Madhu Balaji,
Wow.
beautiful, Wahida Rahman ji. I saw a lot of Madhuri Dixit songs because that's iconic, Sridevi ji's songs, then Deepika Padukone's song. So I think I just watched
All generations.
All generations.
So who's your all-time favorite actress?
I don't have one, I have a few.
Tell us. We have all the time in the world.
There's from the now generation, there's Alia Bhatt, there's Deepika Padukone, there's Sonakshi Sinha. Then I grew up watching Kajol, Madhuri Dixit, Sridevi ji. I remember when I was a child, my mother used to watch the films she used to love. So I think the first old movie that I watched was Aradhana, and I instantly fell in love with the whole era of
Yeah. Okay.
films. And from there, I fell in love with again Madhu Balaji, Wahida Rahman ji, and I think Rekha ji.
Which all movies of Rekha? So she has done such a variety.
Khubsurat is my
okay.
all-time favorite. And I remember when I'd gone for IFA, I was in the tent and she'd come to meet, I think, Salman sir, and he wasn't there and it was just me. And she gave me a hug. And I was ecstatic. I was like, this just happened.
Yeah.
I just got a hug from her, so it was amazing.
What has been the influence of your dad in your life?
A huge influence actually, because for me, my parents' opinion matters a lot. So every time I ever did anything, from school to extracurricular to the movie, I always used to go to them and ask them, how did I do? And their opinions really mattered to me. So everything they told me I did wrong or right, I would try to correct myself or better myself. My dad has told me a lot of things. He's given me a lot of tips with connected to the film, obviously. He'd always told me, even before I decided that I wanted to become an actress, I remember him telling his actors that acting is reacting to a situation, be honest to the situation given to you and it will come to you. So I think when I gave my first shot, or every time I used to walk to set, I used to just tell that to myself once and then go.
I think that's a wonderful thought. All right. From whatever I've heard from the people who have been in the making of the film, and they have wonderful things to say about your performance, and that it can be a surprise for everyone. How confident are you, and how pivotal is your role?
I would say that it is. So, Khushi's character had an impact on the Chulbul Pandey you see today in Dabang 1 and Dabang 2, that you've seen him, his mannerisms, his behavior. So, I think Khushi's character does have a hand in that. And about the confidence, I think that will come after I see how the audience reacts, because I think audience is king. So if they like my work, there's nothing that make me happier than that.
There's so many mannerisms of Chulbul, his idiosyncrasies, his style, which has become cult in many ways. We get to see how it all started in the younger version. Would you want to tell something about that? What is that process like?
So basically, Khushi and Chulbul's relationship is very sweet. She's his first love. So it's a very sweet, innocent, pure love story, which is, I think, rooted in the simplicity of it all. How simple love is. So I think that is what the USP of this Jodi is.
Right. What about sense of humor? Because sense of humor has been an intrinsic part of the Dabang
Chulbul,
franchise.
yes.
So do you share those funny and lighthearted moments with him as well?
Like in real life or in the film?
In the film, yeah. I
There
don't think
is-
in real life, do you have like a light-hearted, bantering sort of relationship with Salman Khan? You do?
I mean, here and there, obviously that's professionalism, because I really respect him and he's so experienced and I have learned a lot from him. But there's been a few jokes here and there, yes.
Right, in the film.
In the film, yes, there is, I think the first scene I shot, there's a little funny element which you'll watch in the film.
Tell us something about your mother. What has been her influence? Because even she is a wonderfully creative person.
She's been my biggest support, and she has, again, she also has worked in quite a few films. So she also told me one thing, which is act with your eyes and your body language, and your whatever you're saying will follow. Just feel what you're saying and come in your eyes.
I'm sure that she had not thought about the fact that you'll be getting a song like Naina Lade.
that was actually quite ironic.
What has been your all-time favorite film of your father as a director as well as an actor?
As a director, I have two. It's Vastav and Astitva. And as an actor, I think it's Kate.
But even, I think he's directed some iconic Marathi films as well.
Yes. There's Nata Samrat, there's Kakasparsh, I love those films, obviously. But I think I was very young when I watched them. And as I said, Vastav and Astitva, I have rewatched, I think, last year again. So they're fresh in my mind.
All right, and given a chance, would you want to work with in Marathi films as well in the future?
Of course, if there's an interesting script and there's an interesting story, I would love to. It's my mother tongue, so obviously.
What do you have to say about the storytelling, which is so fascinating when it comes to Marathi cinema, and the technical expertise? I think they're wonderfully proficient in the technical aspect as well.
In what sense? As in?
Yeah, in terms of, I think the camera work, for example, the writing.
Marathi cinema?
Yes.
I think they're very, very skilled. They're, the people who work in Marathi cinema, the content that's created there, it's very, very well done, and I think it should be appreciated more.
Experience of working with Prabhu Deva sir.
He's a legend, and he has been so good with me in this entire process. He's been a great guide. I remember there was this one scene which was a little hard. So he came on the mic and he would explain every single thing to me while I was doing the scene. So that the whole reassurance that I got from him, he was a great influence for me on set.
So what are your future plans from
There's
here on?
nothing-
Have you got some offers?
No, there's nothing as yet, because this experience is so beautiful that I just want to take this all in, and I think I go with the flow. Whatever comes to me, I will do it as and
Do you
when.
have a wish list of directors, actors that you want to work with?
There's a few. I think the list will go on and on.
You can tell us a few if you want to.
I'll see a few, but then if I don't say somebody, if I forget, then they won't work with me.
Smart girl. That's a smart one. All right. Would you want to go in theaters on December 20th and just see the reaction of the crowd?
I would love to, because I remember when I was young, I had gone to Chitra Cinema with my dad and my mom to see the reaction for Me Shivaji Raje Bhosle Bolto Hai, which is
Classic.
so, and seeing that reaction, seeing how much people loved my father's work was a very special feeling. So to see how they would like my work, I really want to feel that for myself too. So I can't wait.
So you're looking forward to the CTs and the claps and the.
I can't wait for all of that.
That should be like a Gaiety Galaxy experience.
I would love to go to Gaiety Galaxy, yes.
That's a yardstick in many ways for the single
It's
screens.
like a bucket list sort of thing I have to tick off my bucket list.
Great. Rapid fire with Sai Manjrekar. If you were to ask following people a question, what would you ask them? Salman Khan. If you have to ask a question to Salman Khan, what would you ask him?
The secret to working so hard every day.
The secret to working so hard every
Every
day.
day.
What is the secret? Okay. Alia Bhatt. If you have to ask a question to Alia Bhatt,
How is she so perfect with her craft at all times?
that's a good one. If you have to ask a question to Deepika Padukone,
How does she look so stunning all the time?
how does she
Beautiful.
look so stunning all the time? Okay. If you have to ask a question to Mr. Mahesh Manjrekar that you have never asked,
How did you honestly feel about my work in this film?
is he an objective critic?
With me, yes, because he's my father. I feel like the paternal instinct kind of comes out. So, more than objective, I think his criticism very constructive. He'll tell me what I can work on, not what I did wrong, but what I can do better.
That's great. That's great. All right. Okay, so Chulbul Pandey with a mustache or without a mustache?
Now, Khushi fell in love with the one without the mustache, so without the mustache.
All right, that's a good one. An actress you consider your role model?
Wahida Rehman ji.
Wahida Rehman ji. Why? Why is that?
I just find her work very, very good.
So your favorite film of Wahida Rehman ji?
I can't choose one. There's so many.
So many of them? Guide maybe?
Guide is a beautiful film.
Guide is
yes,
good. Yeah,
right.
very common. Okay. Which is your most favorite performance of Mahesh Manjrekar ji? You've said Kate. Anything else apart from that?
Me Shivaji Raje Bhosle Bolta Hai.
All right.
मैं शिवाजी.
3 directors you definitely want to work with.
Zoya Akhtar, Imtiaz Ali, and Karan Johar.
Which is one film of Salman Khan you wish you were a part of?
हम आपके हैं कौन? Even though I love Madhuri Dixit in it, love it, but हम आपके हैं कौन?
You're not even born then.
I know, but still,
That's okay. Because you're saying that you love Madhuri Dixit, but you're
I
not.
love it.
Okay,
But I
all
would
right.
love her. I would love to have done her role. It's beautiful. My favorite film.
Achha, it's your all-time favorite film. You've told that to Suraj ji, Suraj Barjate ji.
No, I haven't had a chance to tell that to him, but I will the next time.
Apparently, it's completing 25 years this year in December.
Really?
Apparently, yeah. It's 94. It released, and it's
2019.
2019. Yeah. Vicky Kaushal or Karthik Aryan, your favorite?
Vicky Kaushal has always been my favorite since Masan.
You think he's a very fine artist?
Very fine artist.
Alia or Deepika, if you have to choose one as your favorite actress?
Oh, don't make me do this. I can't. But I think Alia. I love her.
You love Alia. All right, okay. How would you react to these comments on social media about you?
Okay.
Yeah. These are like tough ones.
Oh,
Sai gives me a vibe that she can be the next big thing in Bollywood.
thank you so much. आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर.
Mahesh sir, please make Vastav 2 with Sai and Ranbir Kapoor in lead. Maza aayega.
I'll convey this to my dad for sure.
You think Ranbir Kapoor is good?
He played Sanju. Who better than him to do Vastav 2 then?
What qualities of Salman Khan your future husband must have? Or rather, what qualities of Chulbul Pandey, younger version, should your future husband should have?
Sense of humor, loyalty, and wit.
Bollywood Hangama Shootout. This is a section within Rapid Fire.
Okay.
So, I'll just say a question and whatever comes in your mind,
Okay.
just throw it back
Okay.
at us. Okay? A Marathi film you'd like to star in, a Hindi remake of.
Nata Samrat.
A film you have watched for more than 10 times.
Andaz Apna Apna.
Okay, you like Andaz Apna Apna. And the writer of Andaz Apna Apna is the writer of Dabang as well, Dabang 3, Dilip Shukla.
Yes.
Which Bollywood actress has the best fashion sense?
Alia Bhatt.
Alia Bhatt. Sara Ali Khan or Janhvi Kapoor, who can be your tough competitor?
I wouldn't say competitor. I just have a lot to learn from both of them because they're again really good in what they do, both of them.
An unhealthy food that you can't stop eating.
There's so many. I can't pick one. There's Maggie. There's burgers. There's pizza. There's pasta. There's Chinese. Everything. Oh wait, I can't stop eating Chinese food.
What one thing every newcomer can learn from Salman Khan?
Hard work.
Which celebrity would you rate perfect 10 apart from Salman Khan and your dad?
Alia Bhatt.
Alia Bhatt
Or Varun Dhawan. Both
or
of them
Varun Dhawan.
are
Okay.
favorites, yeah.
Have you ever been in love?
Puppy love?
It's up to you to define, but I think
Yes, I have.
puppy love?
I mean, it was cool.
So like a serious love
No, it was just
Not yet.
From a distance.
from a
A
distance.
crush
A crush
that I like to call love.
that you can't call love. All right, we'll settle for that. Your first love is Dabangg 3, I would say.
Yes, 100%.
Yeah? All right. So Sai Manjrekar, wonderful talking to you.
Thank
And
you.
congratulations for all the wonderful
Thank you so much.
vibes that are coming your way. And we hope that Dabangg 3 is a huge success and you go on to become
Thank you.
the next big star. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Nice meeting you. Thank
Same here. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, I'm Sai Manjrekar and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.